Hi, this is Sameh from Apify. So, Lovable released its new MCP functionality, which allows you to add any MCP server. This works for the Lovable business tier currently, but hopefully they're rolling this out across all of their tiers. So, today I want to show you how you, as an e commerce builder or founder, can actually attach the Apify MCP server into Lovable and then create an e commerce price tracking app. All right, let's begin. All right, so let's start. I'm going to use this prompt that I have here. I want to build a product tracking app for electronics. For example, I want to track the price of Apple Watch for different providers in Dubai. So use the Apify MCP Google search tool to scrape for Apple Watch in Dubai with the right search operators and find the top sites for these watches. So we're going to ask it to use search to actually find which top sites organically show up for people. Then use the e-commerce scraper from Apify to scrape the description and prices for the top sites and create a button to refresh the scrape based on demand. All right, so let's start cooking. I'm going to go ahead and roll that, and it will start thinking about how to build this out for me. In the meanwhile, you can see here, of course, you can always do visual edits on the fly while it's actually doing it. One thing also that I like is to actually, add some knowledge or other connectors, or you can actually attach a design so you get exactly what you want in terms of design. So let's go back. So first thing that it's going to do is, of course, use the Google search scraper. So let's allow that. And now if we go back to our Apify console, you can see that this is the actual run that's running right now. I would look at the input. So it's actually looking for, the top websites in the UAE for the Apple Watch. All right. And let's go back. Now it's asking for permission to use the e-commerce scraping tool to actually take out all the prices, the description, the pictures, of course. And let's go back to our console here, and we can see that the scraping job is already it was already triggered. And over here, we can see what are some of the actual URLs that it's scraping from those top retailers. And here we go. We have some pictures, and soon, of course, it will start to populate things like the prices. Over here, you can see it's actually capturing the prices and the currency. All right. So now it's building the product tracking dashboard with this real data. And this will take a few minutes, so I will be right back. All right. It looks like Lovable finished cooking, and we got this beautiful website here with the actual price tracking, with the lowest price, the average price, the number of retailers that it could find. And below, of course, we have some actual listings over here. We can see where the listings are coming from. For example, this is from the Apple place. This is from Amazon. Here is from a retailer called Phone Zone that's trending quite popularly. And of course, we have other kind of metrics about what the price history is. And so that's it. In a few moments, we were able to connect the Apify MCP server right on Lovable and create a beautiful e-commerce website that's using actual data. And we're super excited to see what kind of use cases you will deploy this on. Thank you.